and I swear I ain't lying. They made clean off with 16 G's and left 2 men lying cold. Somebody robbed the Glendale Train and made off with the gold. Well, Charlie Jones was the engineer, and he had 20 years on the line. He kissed his wife at the station gate this morning at 6:35. Now everything was fine till 9:30 when Charlie looked up and he saw there were gunmen on horses, men with guns, and no sign of the law. And somebody robbed the Glendale Train this morning at 9:30. Somebody robbed the Glendale Train, and I swear I ain't lying. They made clean off with 16 G's and left 2 men lying cold. Somebody robbed the Glendale Train and made off with the gold. Well, Miss White was the baggage man, and he really loved his job. The company, they rewarded him with the golden watch and fob. Well, Amos, he was marking time when the door off his car. They found Amos White in 15 pieces, 15 miles apart. And somebody robbed the Glendale Train this morning at 9:30. Somebody robbed the Glendale Train, and I swear I ain't lying. They made clean off with 16 G's and 2 men lying cold. Somebody robbed the Glendale Train and made off with the gold. Yes, somebody robbed the Glendale Train and made off with the gold.